So today I need to build a little greenhouse for this planter box. Had a really bad tomato season last year and want to try to get them started a little sooner. So I'm going to build a cover for that. Trial fit. Looks like it fits on there just perfect. Now to build the A-frame. Okay, so now I've got the top of the ridge in there, and I've got it flush with the top of that. I've got it offset for the thickness, and now I got to figure out how to make some ribs. Now that I've got these ribs cut, I'm going to anchor them on. Okay, so when I screwed it together, because of the angle, it slides a little bit, slid a whole bunch on this one. I was gonna have this support be temporary, but I think I'm gonna make it permanent. Angle the edge of it, and then to make everything easier to screw together, throw in some little angle supports. That way it won't split. See this split right here? Okay, so, take two. Try to do this a little better. The next problem I discovered, my screws are too long if I screw through this direction. So I gotta find some shorter ones. Okay, now go do the same thing on the other end. So now I need to put the ribs on, but with that sitting right there, there's really nothing good to screw it on. So I'm going to add this little thing so that I can put this on there, and now I've got something good to screw into. So do 3 of those. I got ribs on one side, that way, and nothing on this side, so do the same thing on the other side. I haven't done one of these before, but I gotta put something clear on here, so I just got some painter's covers, and I'm a little afraid that if I just staple it down, the window will rip, and then it'll be gone. So I thought I'd put a second board down and clamp board on board, and that way the plastic, you know, kind of has continual support. And I'll do one on each side, and then maybe one on the ends, and not staple the plastic at all, just secure it with a board next to it. So there you go. Quick, easy greenhouse. Don't know if it'll blow off. I may have to secure it down. I doubt it. Don't know if the plastic will work, but pretty easy to replace. I need to get something thicker. And hopefully we can get tomatoes and stuff started a little sooner in our cold Portland spring.